Hey Santo, Your time. Your time. Your time.
You got your time. You got your time. You got your
Hey Santo, Your time. Your time.
You know what to make. You got your time. You got your time.
Hello and welcome to week 42.
Of Radio Kai, you on?
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed last week's show, you on? Who did we interview last week, Don?
Natalie from Hollyhead Youth Club.
Yeah, we interviewed Natalie from the Holyhead Youth Club last week, did we, Don?
Yeah.
And this week we got all of our usual features, haven't we? Such as a mystery song. What's a mystery song, Don?
5 different songs in 5 categories.
And that's our mystery song, and we got Osh with his history later on in the show, haven't we, Don?
Yeah.
And we also got Garge with Ethan. Don't know where he's taking us yet, no, Don?
Yeah.
We also got Lacey here. Hello, Lacey.
Hi.
What are you going to be doing this week?
Charts.
You're going to be doing your chart show, aren't you? We also got the news and sport updates with Osham and Max and Peter with the sports news. They're busy, aren't you guys? And we also got our interview for this week, haven't we, Don?
Yeah.
Who are we interviewing this week, Don?
Who?
And he is and what is he doing for a living, Don?
A van driver.
He is a van driver for a supermarket, yeah, Don?
Yeah.
So we are going to start off this week's show with Ghostbusters, yeah, Don?
Yeah.
And who's the artist?
Ray Adder Jr.
So we are starting off with Ghostbusters by Ray Parker Jr. And it's a Halloween film show this weekend on.
Yeah.
Strange in your neighborhood, who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
If it's something weird and it don't look good, who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. If you're seeing things running through your head, who can you call?
Ghostbusters!
An invisible man sleeping in your bed. Oh, who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
If you're all alone, pick up the phone and call.
Ghostbusters!
I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I hear it likes the girls. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Yeah, 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 yeah. Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
If you've had a dose of a freaky ghost, baby, you better call. Let me tell you something. Bustin' makes me feel good. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Don't get caught alone, oh no.
Ghostbusters!
unless you just want some more. I think you better call.
Ghostbusters!
Ow! Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
Think you better call.
Ghostbusters!
Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
I can't hear you. Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
Louder.
Ghostbusters!
Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
Who can you call?
Ghostbusters!
Ghostbusters by Ray Jr.
That was by Ray Parker Jr. there, Don.
Yeah.
And now moving on, we got our mystery song for this week. Like what Don said, the mystery song is.
5 different songs if I get a.
Yeah, the mystery song is where we play out 5 different songs from the 60s to the noughties, and you have to guess which songs they are.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery boy. Mystery boy.
Here's our first song for this week.
Song number 2 for this week.
Song number 3 for this week.
Song number 4 week.
Song number 5 this week.
You got the song officially.
Yeah, I hope you got all the songs correct for the mystery song this week here on. And our next song here is round 1.
The Mash.
And that's by Bobby Boris Pickett here on.
Yeah.
And this is the Monster Mash by Bobby Boris Pickett here on Radio Card.
I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise,
He did the mash,
he did the monster mash.
the monster mash.
It was a graveyard
He
smash.
did the mash,
It caught on in a flash.
he did the mash.
He did the monster mash. From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abodes to get a jolt from my electrode.
They did the mash,
They did the monster
the
mash.
monster mash.
It was a graveyard
They
smash.
did the mash,
It caught on in a flash.
they did the mash.
They did the monster mash. The zombies were having fun. The party had just begun. The guests included Wolfman, Dracula, and his son. The scene was rocking, all were digging the sounds. Igor on chains, backed by his baying hounds. The coffin bangers were about to arrive with their vocal group, the Crypt Kicker Five.
Played the mash,
They played the monster mash.
the monster mash.
It was a graveyard
They
smash.
played the mash,
It caught on in a flash.
they played the mash.
They played the monster mash. Out from his coffin, Drac's voice did ring. Seemed he was troubled by just one thing. Opened the lid and shook his fist and said, "Whatever happened to my Transylvania twist?"
It's now the mash,
It's now the monster
the
mash.
monster mash.
And it's a graveyard
It's now
smash.
the mash,
It's caught on in a flash.
it's now the mash.
It's now the monster mash. Now everything's cool, Drac's a part of the band, and my monster mash is the hit of the land. For you, the living, this mash was meant to. When you get to my door, tell them Boris sent you.
Then you can mash,
Then you can monster mash,
the monster mash.
and do my graveyard
Then you
smash.
can mash,
You'll catch on in a flash,
then you can mash.
then you can monster mash. Mash! Easy, Igor, you impetuous young boy. Mash good!
Monster mash, monster mash.
This is the history. This is the history. I hope you enjoy that, Sean. The next we got the history. So this week I'm going to talk about the Halloween. Because we got Halloween next week. So I hope you enjoy the history about the Halloween. So Halloween history, all about Halloween. So let's start with Halloween originated from the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain, which celebrated the end of harvest and the beginning of the winter over 2,000 years ago. The Celts believed the boundary between the living and the dead blurred on the night, so they worshipped consumer and lit bonfires to ward off spirits. The Roman festival of Feralia and the Christian holiday of All Saints' Day, November the 1st, and All Souls' Day, November the 2nd, were later merged with these traditions, and All Hallows' Eve eventually became Halloween. American tradition like trick-or-treating and carving pumpkin before popular later. The ancient Celtic festival of Samhain, celebrated around November the 1st, marks the end of the summer and the harvest and the beginning of the dark, cold winter. The Celts believed that on the night before the New Year, the boundary between the worlds of a living and dead become blurred. To ward off evil spirits, people would wear costume and mask and light bonfire. Roman and Christian influence. Romans who conquered the Celts merged some of their traditions with Samhain, such as Roman festival of Feralia to commemorate the dead. The Catholic Church later created All Saints' Day on November the 1st to honor saints, a holiday that incorporated some of the Samhain tradition. The evening before October 31 became known as All Hallows' Eve, which was eventually shortened to Halloween. Modern Halloween. Irish and Scottish immigration brought many of these customs to America. In the 19th century, the traditional carving face into vegetable evolved into carving pumpkin after immigration discovered the native pumpkin were large and easier to care than turnips. The custom of trick-or-treating emerged as a way to prevent vandalism, with children going door to door for treats instead of playing tricks. So that's why I call it trick and treating, by the way. Hope you enjoyed. So hope you enjoy that trick or treating day on the 31 of October on Halloween. So it's a celebration observed in many countries on October the 31, the eve of Western Christian feast, All Hallows Day. It is the beginning of the observation All Hallowed, whatever that's it. The time is Christian a greater deal, dedicated to remember the dead, including saints, hallows, martyrs, and so on. So, popular activities during Halloween is trick-or-treating or related, guessing and souling, attending Halloween costume party, carving pumpkins or turnips into jack-o'-lanterns, lights, bonfires, apple bombing, deviation, game playing pranks, visiting haunted attractions, telling frightened stories and watching horror or Halloween themed films. Some Christian practice two observations of All Hallows' Eve, including attending church service and lighting candles on the graves of the dead. Although it is a secular celebration for others, some Christians historical abstinated from meat on All Hallows' Eve. A tradition reflects in the eating of central vegetarian foods on this day includes apples, potato pancakes, and soul cake, whatever it is. So, yeah, whatever. Anyway, so probably it is good. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the Halloween on the 31 of October, and I'll see you next week with more history. Next week is going to be all about Nottingham. It was going to be this week, but I forgot it's Halloween, so I've done the Halloween themed. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye. And the next song is This Is Halloween by Michael Elia. Hope you enjoy this song, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye.
Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see this our town of Halloween.
This is Halloween, this is Halloween.
Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene. Trick or treat till the neighbor's gonna die of fright. It's our town, everybody scream in this town of Halloween. I am the one hiding under your bed, teeth ground sharp and eyes glowing red.
I am the one hiding under your stairs, fingers like snakes and spiders in my hair.
This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. In this town we call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin song. In this town, don't we love it now? Everyone's waiting for the next surprise. Round that corner and hiding in a trash can, something's waiting now to pounce, and now you'll scream. This is Halloween, red and black and slimy green. Aren't you scared? Well, that's just fine. Say it once, say it twice, take a chance and roll the dice. Ride with the moon in the dead of night. Everybody scream, in our town of Halloween.
I am the guy with the tearaway face, here in a flash and gone without a trace.
I am the who when you call who's there. I am the wind blowing through your hair. I am the shadow on the moon at night, filling your dreams to the brim with fright. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Tender lumplings everywhere, life's no fun without a good scare. That's our job, but we're not mean in our town of Halloween. In this town, don't we love it now? Everyone's waiting for the next surprise. Skeleton Jack might catch you in the back and scream like a banshee, make you jump out of your skin. This is Halloween, everybody scream. Won't you please make way for a very special guy? Old Man Jack is king of the pumpkin patch. Everyone hail to the pumpkin king. Now this is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. In this place we call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan.
The Boston and Albany Railroad needed specialized locos for commuter services in Boston, Massachusetts, so they asked the American Locomotive Company, or ALCO, to do just that. Well, in gorgeous obscurity of America, we're talking about the Boston Albany's D1A466 tanks. Built in 1928, only 5 are built, numbers 400 to 404. They had Baker valve gear, 5,000 US gallon water tanks in the rear tender, 2 23.5 inch by 26 inch cylinders, weighing 352,000 pounds, a length of 56 feet 9 inches, 63-inch drivers, 215 psi boiler, a wheelbase of 42 feet and 7.92 inches, an attractive effort of 41,651 pounds. They looked like a New York Central Hudson, but crammed down to a tank engine, or condensed telescoped versions of the New York Central's Hudsons. And they were pretty powerful for their time. Pretty much so powerful they could outperform a Pacific. Speaking of which, what's new in O-Gauge will be briefly interrupting because the Lionel 2025 October catalog just came out and they got brand new K4 Pacifics. Those being in brass hybrids or, if you fancy, diecasts. Had we list all the products here, we'll be here all day. Anyway, back to obscurities of America. The Locos spend most of their working lives around Boston and River via the Highland branch of the main line. They also can go to Framingham on a more or less regular basis. One person, i.e. Eddie Bear, here on steamlocomotive.com, pointed out on Wednesday, 22nd of December 2004, said, "I think they might have gone to Milford too." The 5 D1A tanks continued their regular earning service. After 20 to 30 years of operations, they got replaced by road switcher diesels and subsequently sold off as scrap metal. In the early 2000s, K-Line made them in O-scale. After Lionel took over them after the lawsuit and the subsequent bankruptcy of K-Line, Lionel returned them in 2019 Volume 2 catalog with legacy features and all sorts of stuff like that, making them officially a legacy range locomotive. You can still buy them as of 2025, as of the making of this episode. Next up is Lacey Charles, but before then, get the Lionel D1As. They cost $10.99.99 each per locomotive. Like, literally.
Thank you, Ethan, for guys this week. Now we got the charts. And number 5, what the hell's my husband, by the way? And number 4, we got Open It by Taylor Swift. And number 3, we got Got It by Huntrix. And number 2, we got Man I Need by Olivia Dean. And at number 1, we got Fate of Ophelia by Taylor Swift. Thanks for listening for the charts, and we'll be back next week. The next one is Somebody's Watching Me by Rockwell, as Dion picked it for me. Isn't it, Dion?
Yeah.
So, I hope you enjoyed that song. And here's Somebody's Watching Me by Rockwell.
Who's watching me?
I'm just an average man with an average life. I work from 9 to 5. Hey, hell, I pay the price. All I want is to be left alone in my average home. But why do I always feel like I'm in the twilight zone? And I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy. Oh, I always feel like somebody's watching me. Tell me, is it just a dream? When I come home at night, I break the door real tight. People call me on the phone, I'm trying to avoid. Well, can the people on TV see me, or am I just paranoid? When I'm in the shower, I'm afraid to wash my hair, 'cause I might open my eyes and find someone standing there. People say I'm crazy, just a little touched, but maybe showers remind me of psycho too much. That's why I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy. Oh, I always feel like somebody's watching me. Who's playing tricks on me?
like an angel. Walk like an angel. Talk like an angel. But I got wise. You're the devil in disguise. Oh, yes, you are. Devil in disguise. You fool me with your kisses. You cheated and you schemed. Heaven knows how you lied to me. You're not the way you seem. You look like an angel. Walk like an angel. Talk like an angel. But I got wise. You're the devil in disguise. Oh, yes, you are. Devil in disguise. I thought that I was in heaven, but I was sure surprised. Heaven help me, I didn't see the devil in your eyes. You look like an angel. Walk like an angel. Talk like an angel. But I got wise. You're the devil in disguise. Oh, yes, you are. Devil in disguise. Oh, yes, you are, 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 devil in disguise.
News from around the school.
So the last song you heard there was The Devil in Disguise by Elvis Presley, Elsh. And now we've got news around the school for this week. So first of all, we got Max here in Kingpin, and he's off to Beaumaris on Thursday. What are you doing in Beaumaris, Max?
Thanking the club for best club and their trophy.
Cool, Max. So it's like a football tournament, is it? Cool. And also, there's rugby happening every Wednesday between 3:15 and 4:15. If you want to get along, it's free. Your parents have to stay with you, and it's free of charge. You can join in any time you want, which is between 3:15 and 4:15. And also today, there's 2 youth clubs in the Holyhead, and there's one at the Jesse Hughes Centre near the Travelodge. And there's one in town as well, which is a Holyhead Library, and that's run by Mencap. And you have to be 18 or over if you want to join Mencap's youth club. And also, there is no cafe this week, because we're having a break this week, and the cafe...
Chinese.
Yeah, we're all having Chinese this week, aren't we, boys? And we're having a break this week. Hopefully the cafe will return after the half term. Also, a couple of students going to Menai Bridge Fair. Menai Bridge Fair is back this week. And we got Lacey here, she's going. And also Jack McGreevy is also going as well. And I hope you guys all have a great time in Menai Bridge Fair this week. And we're going back to the music now, aren't we? Yeah. We got a bit of the Eagles coming up next now. Hotel California.
champagne on ice, and she said, we are all just prisoners here of our own device. And in the master's chambers, they gathered for the feast. They stab it with their steely knives, but they just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember, I was running for the door. I had to find the passage back to the place I was before. Relax, said the night man, we are programmed to receive. You can check out anytime you like, but you can never leave.
Hotel California, Eat by the Eagle.
And that was a Halloween hit, isn't it, Dawn?
Yeah.
By the Eagles, yeah, Dawn. And now coming up next is our mystery song answers for this week. Let's see if we got our decade songs correctly this week, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
So our 60 song for this week was gone.
Quick by Heavy. Yeah.
And our 70 song was Heart of Glass by Blondie. And our 80 song was gone.
Every Take You Rare by The Police.
And what was our 90 song, Lacey?
Black Rockin' Beats by the Chemical Brothers.
And our naughty song was Numb by Linkin Park. So coming up next here on Radio Camp, we got Ocean with the leaderboard answers for this week. Let's see if we got the leaderboard answers correctly, shall we?
Caroline got apparently 0 out of 15. Well done. For not trying.
Yeah.
And Mr. T, that he told us on Monday he's going to do it right now. Yeah, well, we heard that one before. Mr. T got 0 out of 15. And also Cynnar Pedwar got 0 out of 15. And number 8 we got Llwydda. That got 4 out of 15. Well done. Number 7 we got Kane Ian got 5 out of 15. Well done. Number 6 we got Kerv Music. She got 9 out of 15. Well, yeah, 9 out of 15, but I don't count number 9 anyway, because someone in this class helped him. Dion, didn't you help?
No, I didn't.
You did, didn't you? Remember? Anyway, back to it. Number 5 we got Cynradd 3 that got 10 out of 15. Also, number 4 we got Canol Dive that got 12 out of 15. Well done. Also, Dwayne Wen got 12 out of 15. And Cane Tree got 12 out of 15. Number 3 we got Cynarfon, they got 13 out of 15. Navdai got 13 out of 15. Also, Cynarfon got 13 out of 15. And well done for trying. Well, the final 2 we got. Number 2 we got Cynarfon that got 14 out of 15. And also, Cane Dai got 14 out of 15. And the winner for this week is number 1. We got Cynarfon, got 15 out of 15. Also, Cane Pedward, that got 15 out of 15. Right. Well done everyone for today. And the next one we got Manisa by Hall & Oates. I never heard of that song before, but apparently Dion did.
Yeah.
So, I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye. And that you fall for it. It's not next week, it is after the October half term, or after the Halloween. So, I'll say Happy Halloween for you all, and I'll see you in 2 weeks. Goodbye.
No, who? Loyalty teachers, companies news, and we've got the further news. So, next match on the week. Leeds United with the West Ham. Chelsea is a Sunderland. Newcastle which is a Fulham. Manchester United. Brighton, which is Leicester versus Liverpool. Wolverhampton versus Burnley. Arsenal, which is the first. Aston Villa, Man City. Bournemouth, which is the boys. Editors, this is Spurs. So we have guest scores. 1-0 Leeds United, 2-0 to Leeds United, 3-0 for West Ham. So we have 3-3, 2-2, what was a draw. We have Viking and Man United. 3-0 for Viking. 4-0 for Viking. 3-0 to Man United. We have a Brentford versus Liverpool. 3-0 for Brentford. 4-0 for the Brentford. 2-1 to Brentford. And we have Arsenal versus the Forest. 2-1 for the Spurs, 2-0 to the Spurs, 3-0 to the Arsenal. We have Aston Villa Manchester City, 2-1, 2-2, 1-1. And we have Bournemouth versus North Forest, 2-0, 3-0. 3-2. Now we have Everton with the Spurs. 2-0 to Spurs. 2-0 for Spurs. 3-2 to Everton. And next one to Interplanetary News. And Wales lost the 2-1 to Bouncing. And you got my mission players. First one happened is the Seas. The second name is the Lord. Kokov is injured. Mount is down is a Hello, this is Norway, Humberg by Norway, and will be next match. And now we have the mysteries of the season, first like the season, the system games as well. It is a typical look, and you have to have a table at the moment it's also on top is at 19 points. Man City adopting 16 points. Oh, get close. Who's gonna get first? Bond, you've got 50 points. Liverpool, it's a 4th place. It's a 50 points. And we have Chelsea, 14 points. Spurs, we got 14 points. Celtics got 40 points. Crystal Palace, 13. Man United, 30 points. Yay. Brighton got 12 points. Aston Villa got 12 points. Everton got some 11 points. And Leicester got the 10 points last night. And West Ham were beating us. Leicester beating England. West Ham with 2-0. And we have a Fulham, 8 points. Leeds United got 8 points. Newcastle got 9 points and 16 points. And Guernsey is 7 points. And no points is down the Lancashire. It's a 25 points. And also West Ham got 4 points. And Wolverhampton got 2 points still. Got to see the current news. It's after by the Keeper, it's after by Master Cutler.
Everybody, yeah. Rock your body, yeah. Everybody, yeah. Rock your body right. Back streets back, alright. Hey, now, oh my God, we're back again. Brothers, sisters, everybody sing. Gonna bring the flame, I'll show you how. Got a question for you, better answer now. Yeah. Am I original? Yeah. Am I the only one? Yeah. Am I sexual? Yeah. Am I everything you need? You better rock your body now. Everybody, yeah. Rock your body, yeah. Everybody, rock your body right. Back streets back, alright. Alright. Now throw your hands up in the air and wave 'em around like you just don't care. If you wanna party, let me hear you, yeah. 'Cause we got it going on again. Am I original? Yeah. Am I the only one? Yeah. Am I sexual? Yeah. Am I everything you need? You better rock your body now. Everybody, yeah. Rock your body, yeah. Everybody, rock your body right. Back streets back, alright. Alright. So everybody, everywhere, don't be afraid, don't have no fear. I'm gonna tell the world, make it understand. As long as there be music, we'll be coming back again. Everybody, yeah. Rock your body, yeah. Everybody, rock your body right. Back streets back, everybody, rock your body.
Everywhere and nowhere, baby. That's where you're at. Going down a bumpy hillside in your hippie hat, flying across the country and getting fat, saying everything is groovy when your tires are flat. And it's high, oh, silver lining, and away you go now, baby. I see your sun is shining, but I will make a fuss, though it's obvious. Flies are in your pea suit, baby. They're waving at me. Anything you want is yours now. Only nothing's for free. Lies are gonna get you someday. Just wait and see. So open up your beach umbrella while you're watching TV. And it's high, oh, silver lining, and away you go now, baby. I see your sun is shining, but I will make a fuss, though it's obvious. Oh, it's high, oh, silver lining, and away you go now, baby. I see your sun is shining, but I will make a fuss, though it's obvious. Oh, it's high, oh, silver lining, and away you go now, baby. I see your sun is shining, but I will make a fuss, though it's obvious. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And it's high, oh, silver lining, and away you go now, baby. I see your sun is shining, but I will make a fuss.
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
So we heard Hi Ho Silver Lightning there by Fisherman's Friends House and on.
Yeah.
Right then, so we've got a very special guest here today. And it's Hugh. Hello, Hugh.
Hello,
How are you?
everyone. How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Not too bad. Thank you for the interview today.
You're
We're
welcome.
going on Radio Ysgol Bont.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So our first question here for you today is, how many times have you won bowling?
Well, how many times I've been? Quite a lot of games. I've won most of games.
Wow.
Played a lot. Won some lot. Quite a few competitions as well.
Wow.
Yes.
Have you been to see any live artists?
Well, yes, I have. I've seen Take That.
Yeah.
Boyzone. Queen Tribute.
Yeah, Queen's good then, aren't they?
Yes, the Queen Tribute I went to see not long ago. Amazing.
We've just been to the British Music Experience, haven't we, Ush?
Yeah.
It was good, wasn't it?
Wow. Yes.
Which job have you been doing before the supermarket?
Well, I was a butcher for 27 years.
Wow.
Yeah, I did 17 years for my parents. My parents had their own business in Valley.
Yeah.
And I worked for another company for after 10 years.
Wow.
They bought my parents out.
Do you remember the name of the butchers?
Yes, Valley Butchers.
Ah.
Valley Butchers.
We've heard that you've been to Spain, haven't you? How was it?
Yes. Yes, it was great weather. Good time. I went with my brother-in-law.
Ah.
Yeah, good time.
What have you been doing in Spain?
Spain, what are we doing? Sightseeing, went on the boat. It was a rough ride. And so many people being sick on the boats. It's a boat trip outside the port of Malaga.
Yes.
If I have a cold place or a hot place.
Oh, that's a good question. A hot place, because I like the sun.
Ooh.
I like the sun. I do like that. The hottest place I've been is Australia.
What place would
Australia.
you rather, Don? Hot place or cold?
Hot.
Right, why? Have you got a reason, Don?
I like the sun.
Ah, yes, the sun. What about you? What's hot or cold?
Oh, well, if it's hot in the UK, I would choose cold. But if it's not, if it's cold in the UK, I would pick hot. So I think hot place.
Yeah, I would go with hot place as well.
Yeah.
Because I like the sun and I like
Yeah.
a lot of things hot, really, yeah. Yes.
Yes. What is your favourite takeaway and why?
Oh,
Okay, my favourite takeaway
yep.
is Chinese.
Oh, why would you pick Chinese?
Because I'm so fan of the the sweet sour chicken.
Oh, so you have your
in balls.
Chinese sometimes, don't you?
Yeah, same.
You've had one recently, didn't you?
Yeah, I did, didn't I?
What's your favourite takeaway, Don?
Chinese.
Why would you pick a Chinese?
Because it's nice.
Same, I'm going with Chinese as well.
Why did you pick Chinese, Dion?
Because it's very nice. I love the curry sauce,
Yeah.
the egg fried rice, the sweet and sour and everything.
Yes, good.
So, when you were growing up, when you were a kid, what did you used to like to do back then?
If I was going to go back in, when I was a kid. Now, that's a good question. Wow, well, I used to like, when I was a kid, I used to play golf.
Oh,
As a
golf.
junior. Yeah, when I was a kid. Yes, I like to go, yeah. And also, going back and watching the good old cartoons.
Oh, yeah.
We all like cartoons, don't we?
Well, those Saturday morning ones.
Saturday mornings,
Yeah.
Saturday swap shop. There's a lot of people who remember swap shop.
We don't.
No, well
No.
before your time, with Noel Edmonds.
Ah.
Yeah.
What is your subject in school?
My favourite subject in school. My favourite subject in school was Welsh.
Oh.
Welsh.
What's your favourite activities in school? Go on, John.
I would pick Radio Kai.
Oh, yes. Same here. What do you pick, Don?
Radio Kai.
Yes.
Yeah, Radio Cave's a good thing to do, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's brilliant.
Yep.
Yeah.
And you like doing music as well?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
yours?
Yes.
Same here.
With Neil, yeah.
Yeah, and Neil and James music lessons here.
Yes.
On Fridays, is it?
Yes, Friday.
And we're not advertising anything here, no what?
No.
Okay, so what our ninth question is, what do you like, what's your favourite thing to do in karate?
Well, when I used to do karate,
Yeah.
I used to like to do the katas.
Ah.
Try and remember them all was hard.
Yeah.
Pin knee down, pin shoulder down, pin sun down.
Yes.
That's how much I do remember.
You do karate as well, don't you, Osh?
Yeah, I do, yeah. Yeah.
What song do you want to finish off with?
Okay. The song I would like is "We Are the Champions" by Queen.
Oh, yes.
What a song.
We are the
Oh,
champions.
nice.
off.
Very good.
Because we are champions as well, aren't we, Osh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are the
Yeah.
champions on the Kibe on the Kibe radio.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are.
So we're going to finish off this week's show with We Are the Champions by Queen Gales and Dawn.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we'd like to thank you, who's a van driver who works for the supermarket. Thank you, Hugh.
Thank you very much for the interview, boys.
No worries.
Thank you very much. Thanks again.
We're pretty sure we'll see you again soon, won't we?
Oh, you will see me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, Hugh. And we'll finish off with We Are the Champions by Queen. See you next week for week 44,
Yes,
of
it
Radio
is.
Card.
I've paid my dues time after time. I've done my sentence, but committed no crime. And bad mistakes, I've made a few. I've had my shells and kicked in my face, but I've come through. I need to go on, 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 on. We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We
fortune and everything that goes with it. I thank you all, but it's been no bed of roses, no pleasure cruise. I consider it a challenge before the whole human race, and I ain't gonna lose. We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world. The champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. Oh, we are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Cab, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
تحية to Radio Town. You're listening to Radio Town.